Email is where most people would save the most time, and it is where Copilot is easiest to ignore. This episode is Copilot in Outlook hands-on. A full email drafted from one instruction, a thread collapsed to 4 sentences, and a blunt reply saved from itself before it went out. The lay of the land first. The full feature set, drafting, coaching, and meeting prep, needs the paid Copilot license and shows up as Copilot buttons inside Outlook. Copilot chat in Outlook, including thread summaries, works for every Microsoft 365 user without the add-on. And inside Outlook, Copilot reads the open email automatically. No references, no setup. Drafting lives in the Compose window. The Copilot icon sits at the bottom edge of the message body with a keyboard shortcut, Command / if you draft a lot. Click it and Copilot asks what you want the email to say. You write the instruction, not the email. Ours asks the commissioning team to reconcile vendor support hours for a fictional project, names the 2 invoices, states the 40% underspend, and sets the tone. Friendly but direct, under 150 words. Here it is live, sped up 3 times. The instruction goes in, generate runs, and a complete email lands in the body, greeting to sign off, with every fact from the instruction placed where it belongs. The draft arrives with choices. Keep it, discard it, or type an adjustment into the box. Anything from make it warmer to cut the second paragraph. We asked for shorter and more direct, and it rewrote in place. The menu carries ready-made adjustments too. Make it shorter, make it longer, change tone. Now the reading side. Email threads carry a summary by Copilot button at the top. One click, and Copilot reads the full chain, including the replies you skipped, and writes the brief. Here is the whole thing, live. Look at what the summary separates. What was asked, what the other side confirmed, what they committed to with the deadline attached, and what is still unresolved. That structure is the difference between a summary and a shorter version of the same reading work. Back in Compose, the same Copilot menu carries the editing tools. Auto rewrite, get coaching, make it shorter or longer, change tone, simplify. The one most people never find is coaching. We wrote a deliberately blunt reply. This is not good enough. I need it tomorrow. Why was this never reported? Get coaching read it and came back with the conversation we all need sometimes. Soften the language, mind how the reader will feel, and be explicit about what you actually need with rewrites quoted line by line. It flags, you decide. Nothing changes unless you apply it. 2 boundaries to keep in mind. Copilot reads the thread you have open and only your own mailbox. Other people's inboxes are out of scope, and shared mailboxes need their own setup. And since July, Copilot chat in Outlook reasons over your full inbox and calendar. Not just the open thread, which makes that sidebar worth a second look even without the paid license. The written Outlook guide with the meeting prep brief and the mobile features we did not demo is at kesslernity.com/guides, link below. This matches the live product as of July 22nd, 2026, and the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, Copilot in Word.